So now we move to joint B, and what we need to do is then measure, for our sake on this joint, is we're going to be 350 millimeters from the shoulder line to the other shoulder line. And then what we're going to do is then from our face side is then one shoulder, go across, leave a gap in the middle, transfer the line around, and then square two lines across, so that we end up with that. Okay? We have our face side up and our face edge towards the inside. So what we've done is we've just formed the first part of that. Now with your gauge that you already had set up to do joint A, we then come from the face side again, and what we do is we come from the face side and we gauge all the way around again. Once again, remember that you can put this in your vise and go over the top so that you have total control of the gauge. Then we put two holes in the bottom, and then we can gauge down again to them two holes. What we then do is put a pencil line in each. This then denotes the bits that we're actually going to be cutting off, which I'll mark with lines once I've done this. So that's the tenon marked out, which is the centre piece, and these pieces are the cheeks, which are going to come off afterwards. So what I'm going to simply do is the less lines the better. 3 lines on to say that they are waste pieces, and these are the pieces that are coming off to form my tenon. So on the opposite side of my piece of material, which is going to be this one, what I'm now going to do is produce, once again, a face side and a face edge, a face side and a face edge. Now, there's 2 ways you can do this. You can either measure down the 50 millimeters, which we had from the top of this piece of timber to the joint A, or what we can do is put the 2 pieces of timber together, and then we can mark off with our square across. So what I'm simply going to do is just put 2 lines in the middle, and then what happens is you can then see that the distance between there and that shoulder and there and that shoulder is now going to be exactly the same. So I'm moving that to one side. Now all I need to do is transfer this line and this line across to the other side. You can square all the way around, but there again you're putting more lines on, and like I said earlier, the less lines you have on, the better it is. So now I've just put 2 there and 2 there. So now what I need to do is once again get my marking gauge, and you can see that we've got our face side, so our gauge comes from there. And you'll notice again that I'm moving the gauge away from myself so I don't pull it upwards and it will then come into my face or into my chest. So what I do is I then gauge downwards so it hits the 2 holes, flip the timber over, face side again, 2 holes again, go to the top of where the mark is and then gauge downwards, falls into the holes, then I mark with a pencil piece that's coming out, which is the mortice. Now the most important thing to remember when you're doing the mortice is that we cut the mortice first, then the tenon second, so then we can make the tenon. If we make this slightly wider, what we can do is adjust the tenon to fit the mortice. Never the opposite way around, unless of course there isn't any other way of doing it, which should be. Now what we have now is I'm now going to write B on there, and I'm going to write B on here. So now what we have is we now have joint A, joint B marked up.